Morning everyone, it's your maths class, unit number 1, set for class 8. In the previous video we done part 1 and 2. Now we will start part 3. A union B intersection C. Girls, in this question we have union and intersection both. Okay, in the previous question we find union and intersection, but in this part we have both union and intersection. So same method we apply. First we solve round bracket. A union B bracket close. Copy elements of first set, set A, 1, 2, 3, 7, intersect union sign. Then copy set B, 2, 3, 4 and 6. As you know that for find the union, we write all elements together, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. Okay, in both the sets elements are given, so we write down all elements in ascending order. Second part, A union B intersection C. So first we write down this part, answer of A union B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 7. Bracket close, intersection sign because we find intersection. Then copy set C, elements of set C, 3, 4, 5 and 7. Bracket close. Now we find intersection. So intersection, we take out the common element. Okay, now common element 3, 4, common element between them. So 3, 4 would be the answer of third part. Correct? 3, 4, 3, 4 common element. Now we draw the Venn diagram. We draw 3 circles, same which we draw in previous part. Okay, first circle represents set A, second one set B and third one set C. Okay, we draw the same Venn diagram but shaded part are different. So common element between all 3 sets, 3. This place show common place between 3 sets, 2 common element between set A and set B, 4 common element between set B and set C, 7 common element between set A and set C. Okay, after take out the common element, remaining elements of set A 1, remaining elements of set B 6 and 5 remaining elements of set C. We draw same Venn diagram. Now first answer A union B, it's up to you, apply vertical line or horizontal line. Okay, now suppose vertical line A union B intersection C intersection C. Okay, answer of A union B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 7 except this part 5. Okay, its vertical line show or represent answer of A union B. Okay, answer A union B intersection C 3 and 4. It's up to you, in this part apply shade or horizontal line. Done. Venn diagram. Done. Third part. Part 4. A intersection B union C. So first we solve round bracket. Find intersection. A intersection B bracket close. Elements of first set 1, 2, 3 and 7. Intersection sign. Set B 2, 3, 4, 6 bracket close. Now we find intersection. So common element 2, 3, 2, 3 common element. So answer 2 and 3, answer of A intersection B. Now we find A intersection B, fourth part A intersection B union C. Okay, first we write down the answer of A intersection B. 2 and 3 bracket close, put union sign, then copy elements of set C 3, 4, 5 and 7 bracket close. Now we find union, so we write down all elements together between both the sets. Answer 2, 3, 4, 5 and 7 would be the answer of fourth part. Now we draw the Venn diagram. Same Venn diagram we draw in this part also. Same elements, same sets, so we draw the same Venn diagram. If we have different elements of or set, so we draw different, same diagram, same set, but sometimes we have alphabet, sometimes we have digits or number. Okay, so but the same method. Common element between three sets 3, common element between A and B 2, common element between B and C 4, common element between A and C 7. After common remaining elements of set A 1, remaining elements of set B 6 and 5 is the remaining elements of set C. Now we apply shade or color. Answer of A intersection B. A intersection B. Okay. Apply to okay. Apply line, horizontal line. Show the line, horizontal line. Correct? Then answer 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 7 except 1 and 2. Okay. A intersection B bracket close union C is equal to vertical line. So except 1 and 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 7. Correct Venn diagram? Except 1 and 6. 1 and 6 not given in this part. That's why leave it for shade or vertical or horizontal line. Only shade, vertical and horizontal line represent your answer. Answer represent your shaded part or vertical or horizontal line. Done.